Hello everybody, how y'all doing? I gotta get out here in this ice and messy sludge and check on my babies. I don't know if y'all can see him or not, but Speedy's right back under there enjoying the heat lamp. He's got food, his water stalled out over there. So he's doing fine. Oh, this show is nasty out here. This is our first ice and snow or winter mix this year. And check on my dog, my girl dog. Check on little Camo. Her water stalled out. I don't know if you can see her in there. She's got her heat lamp and everything. She's doing, let's see, she got food, yeah. I'm gonna have to come out here and give her some food. I'll come out here a little bit, put the camera up, feed her. And I see my little girl's up too. I heard her there. I scared her. She ran in through the pipe. Yeah, she's got food. I see her water stalled out over there. She got water. Heat lamp. She's over there in that corner. Alright, so everything's doing good except Camo. She needs food. Alright, if y'all like my video now, like, share, subscribe, and have a great day.